Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to block spam messages on Infinix Note 30 NFC device. If you are uncomfortable with promo message delivered on your device, and then you can do this. First of all, please enter the message application on your device. And then here you can open the promo message like this. After that, please select the three dots in the upper corner, and then please block this number. Like this, you can do it on other promo message. So after that, the promo message on your device will appear here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to block promo messages on Infinix Note 30 NFC device. And this method you can also apply it on Infinix Note 30 and Infinix Note 30 Pro device. Please press subscribe button for more information. Thank you.